Do you hate how you look while presenting virtually?
Hi, I'm Marsha Redmon with a couple of tips to help you be a better presenter virtually. Turns out virtual presenting is just a little bit harder than it looks. The most important thing you can tweak is your camera angle.
What's wrong with this camera angle? It's way too low. Get your camera up to eye level by putting your laptop on a stack of books. With a good camera angle, you'll look professional and technically competent. Do you look kind of tired or? Good news is, it's the lighting. Do not have light behind you. And don't have light directly above you. Get light directly on your face. Filtered sunlight is best. Or you can put light behind your laptop. Or use an external monitor as a light source, with a full screen Word doc in white for the most light. For tip number 3, end the cacophony. Mute is the answer. Mute all participants if you are leading the call. Set your default to mute mic when joining meeting. Then you won't have to remember. If you'd like these virtual presenting tips for lawyers and executives, connect with me, Marsha Redmon, on LinkedIn, or get on our list at marsha.com. Don't miss our next virtual presenting tip on how to keep the attention of your audience and make your point concisely.